Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be testing my DNA to see my family history. And if you're new to my channel and have never seen my face before, hello, my name is Catherine Christian and I would love it for you guys to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here. And let's just get right on into the video. So I've always been curious about my DNA and about my family history. So for Christmas, both my sisters and my sister's husband got me the Ancestry DNA Kit, and I'm gonna open it up for you guys and like do the whole process. So this is gonna be the first part, and obviously I'm not gonna get the results until a few weeks from now, so let's open it right up. If I can get it. Open it up and the first thing you see is, "Welcome to Ancestry DNA. Simply complete the following steps and let the discoveries begin. 1. Activate kit online, safe and secure. 2. Gather DNA, simple and easy." I have to activate it first, so I'm gonna go activate this and then I'll be right back. Now that I've activated my code to make sure it goes along with me, I'm going on to the second step, which is gathering DNA. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum for 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. And then the box after it, it comes with the collection bag and the bottle where you have to fill it up to this wavy line, if you can see that wavy line right there, with your saliva. So I don't want to do that on camera, so I'm gonna go do it off camera so you guys don't have to see me spit into a tube. So now that I have nastily spit into a tube, I have to take the top off and do that. I have to put this on. So the blue has dropped into my spit. It is a stabilizing fluid. I'm pretty sure there's a reason behind that. And then I have to shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. I'm gonna do that. I have shaken the tube, but it seems that part of it has gone into there. So I placed the tube in the collection bag that was given to us, sealed tightly. Place into the bag. Strap. The bag has been sealed. Hopefully the lid doesn't come off. I put the sample in the box that they have given me, right here. And now it is ready to ship. I just have to wait 6 to 8 weeks to figure out my results. So I'll see you guys in 6 to 8 weeks. Hey guys, so it's like a few months later now and I just got an email saying that my Ancestry DNA results are in. So we're just gonna take a look at what those results are, and I have a screen recording hopefully if this turns out correctly. So let's get started. I am 57% Europe West. I am 15% Great Britain, 10% Scandinavian, 6% East European, and then low confidence regions we have 3% European South, 2% Ireland, Scotland, and Wales, 2% Finland, Northwest Russia, 2% European Jewish, 2% Middle East, less than 1% Asia Central, and less than 1% Asia South. Oh my god, this is kind of funny. I know my mom is 100% German and then my dad's like 100% like American, obviously not like through like Native American, but like was born in America. My mom was born in Germany. So I thought I was like 50-50, but I guess I'm more like a lot more European than I am anything else. So I clicked on this thing and it says, New England settlers, you probably have relatives who were part of this migration in the past few hundred years. Your connection to this migration is likely through your ancestry from Europe West, Great Britain, Ireland, and Scotland, and Wales. I do know that my great-grandfather had come from Germany and he went through Ellis Island, so I know that there's that migration at least. So it says in the 1700s it was transferring from like those areas over to New England. 1725 it kind of like stretched farther down. 1750 go farther across. 75 still same area. 1800s it looks like there's a lot of results in like New York area, obviously because people go through Ellis Island to live, and so most immigrants went and lived in New York. And then now it's kind of focusing more on specific areas, especially like Massachusetts, New Jersey, and it's starting to spread out to Ohio, Michigan. 1850s. Ooh, we got people in Iowa because that's where I'm from, and we have some people out in California. 1875, got a lot of people in Massachusetts and New Jersey. Got some more people in the Midwest, California. Still same areas, got more concentrated region in California. I was not expecting that as much. Thought I was gonna have like more half and half between Europe and like the US or like North America. I guess I am all concentrated over in Europe and Britain, and that's interesting. That's very interesting. So for Europe West, it says that these countries are like Belgium, France, Germany, Netherlands, Switzerland, Luxembourg, Liechtenstein. For Great Britain, obviously England, Scotland, Wales. For Scandinavia, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. Europe East is Poland, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Austria, Russia, Hungary, Slovenia, Romania, Serbia, Ukraine, Belarus, Moldova, Lithuania, Latvia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina, and Croatia. That's cool. That's weird. So those were my Ancestry DNA results. I'm like slightly shocked to see how I am definitely more concentrated in the European setting and not like North American setting. So that was a little interesting, but like I already knew like I'm at least half European, but now I'm like, no, I'm like full-on European, so that's kind of cool. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you guys are from and what you guys think you're from, because I knew I was at least 50% German and 50% like American from like migrations from over there. Make sure you guys follow my social media platforms. They are right here. This one is my Instagram, if I have this correctly, and this one is my Twitter. I've definitely been posting a lot on my Twitter because funny things happen and at like midnight and 2 a.m. in the morning in my dorm room with my roommate, so I like to kind of post what we say to each other. And then my Instagram is kind of popping. I'm starting to get pictures from my Serengeti representation, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below or at the end of this video right up here. I would seriously love it if you guys would do so. I'd love to grow this family a lot. It means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!